One of the other tools that will really help us in the growth of this organization is being able to track the effectiveness of the presentations that we're having out in the field. What we'd like to do is each and every time that you do a presentation, even if it's a one-on-one, but especially if it's in a large group, that you pass around the sign-up log and verify that everybody in attendance provides us their name, telephone number, and email, and if they're interested in being one of our sponsors, they can identify that as well. But the key is that we get in contact and communication and be able to reach back out to the people that have heard about this mission and get their feedback from the field. If they're interested in taking an active role in the organization, we'd really like to know that. But we do want to know what the results are, again, from each of the major presentations. That helps us out. And once you collect that information, we do request that you input their name and email information on the Vote with Your Wallet webpage. That will allow us to make sure that they're already engaged in the emails and that they get communicated with directly. If they don't provide an email, of course, skip that. But we would like you to scan and email that information back to us at Vote with Your Wallet within 24 hours of doing the event. That, again, that'll be a great assistance to us, and we'll be able to see what's really happening out in the field. Thanks again for your help with this matter, and we'll look forward to talking with you soon.